about how to post classified ads, but this automated software lets you respond to hundreds of ads on 3 high-traffic classified sites with stealth speed. Let me introduce you to OmniReply reverse advertising software. OmniReply will find ads on 3 high-traffic classified ad sites according to your category, and respond to those ads with your custom message automatically. Your custom targeted messages are sent and delivered directly into their email inbox, not their spam folder. Advertisers are always checking their email inbox for ad replies, and your targeted email message will get seen and read almost every time, because advertisers are carefully monitoring their inboxes. The OmniReply reverse advertising software drives free targeted traffic to your service, product, store or website with just a few clicks of your mouse. Once the easy setup is completed, submit your customized reply message on autopilot to hundreds of classified advertisers daily. A lot of times on classified sites, there are simply too many people saying basically the same thing and viewers become ad blind. Reverse advertising is just the opposite. But now, because of OmniReply reverse advertising, you will be sending your message directly to the ad advertiser's highly monitored email inbox. Your message will absolutely be seen. Be careful, this is a very powerful tool. Like I mentioned, make sure your reply email message offer is targeted. In addition, the software finds as many as possible different ads to reply to each time you run the message submitter in multiple cities. Now, let me invite you to check out the reverse advertising software for yourself, and watch the video demo to see all the amazing features and how it all works by typing this link into your favorite web browser or clicking on the link in the description. classifiedposters.com-myreviews.com. Let me say that again. classifiedposters.com-myreviews.com. Thank you for watching my video introduction of the OmniReply reverse advertising software tool. Don't wait any longer, start driving targeted traffic to your website, product, service or store today. It costs nothing to watch the free demo of the OmniReply reverse advertising software. Oh, and by the way, if you liked this introduction video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Start receiving tons of your free targeted traffic today.